Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zmodo wireless camera. First, ensure your camera is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi router. Download the Zmodo app to your smartphone or tablet. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Make sure your mobile device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as many Zmodo cameras prefer this frequency for setup. This ensures compatibility and a stable link. Once logged in, tap the plus icon within the Zmodo app to begin adding your new camera. The app will guide you through selecting your specific camera model. Pay close attention to the on-screen instructions, as they might vary slightly depending on your device. When prompted, accurately enter your Wi-Fi network password. A small typo can prevent the camera from connecting, so double-check it before proceeding. The camera will then attempt to establish a connection with your home network. After successful connection, you can now place your Zmodo camera in its desired location. Aim for an area with a strong Wi-Fi signal to ensure reliable performance and clear video feeds. Within the app, explore the settings to customize features like motion detection sensitivity. You can adjust this to minimize false alarms. Also, set up your preferred recording schedules and notification preferences so you receive alerts only when necessary. This personalization enhances your security experience. If you encounter issues, try resetting the camera by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong, especially if the camera is far from the router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity problems. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These steps should help you get your Zmodo camera working reliably for continuous home monitoring and peace of mind. Don't hesitate to consult the Zmodo support resources if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.